She breathes, her heart begins to beat. Opens her eyes to the traffic lights and see. I ran across the city all night just to find a place for my peace of mind. What met me on the other side was a truth I could not hide. Glass half full, yearning for more, wanting it all and nothing to bore. Sign away your passion and fire, we desire all the time. There's gotta be more than all of this. She leaves nowhere to be, closes the door to a life left on repeat. I just know for sure that anything's better than it was before. The key that unlocks the door is a truth I can't ignore. Glass half full, yearning for more, wanting it all and nothing to pour. Sign away your passion and fire, we desire all the time. There's gotta be more than all of this. Glass half full, yearning for more, wanting it all and nothing to pour. Sign away your passion and fire, we desire all the time. There's gotta be more than all of this.
I took the supermarket flyers from the windowsill. I threw the day-old tea from the cup. Packed up the photo album Matthew had made, memories of a life that's been loved. Took the get well soon cars and stuffed animals, poured the old ginger beer down the sink. Dad always told me, don't you cry when you're down, but Mum, there's a tear every time that I blink. Oh, I'm in pieces, it's tearing me up, but I know a heart that's broke is a heart that's been loved. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mum. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. When God takes you back, He'll say hallelujah, you're home. I fluffed the pillows, made the bed, stacked the chairs up, folded your nightgowns neatly in a case. John said he'd drive, then put his hand on my cheek and wiped a tear from the side of my face. And I hope that I see the world as you did, 'cause I know a life with love is a life that's been lived. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go, and when God takes you back, you'll say hallelujah, you're home. Hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. You got to see the person I have become. Spread your wings, and I know that when God took you back, He said hallelujah, you're home.